Today we're sharing our favorite camping trail mix. Welcome to the Peaceful Play Show. I'm Stephanie Anderson and I help parents keep their kids busy while they're working from home. If you haven't had a chance to, please subscribe to my channel or hit a like or click the bell so you know when I post new videos each week. Every camper needs to stay fueled, right? So today we're making our very own camping trail mix. So all you'll need is a little to-go dish with a lid and some nuts and something sweet. So I find that if I give a little something sweet to the kids, they're willing to try some new foods that way, and it helps make trail mix a really exciting snack as opposed to a healthy something mom's making me eat. So just wanted to share some of our favorite camping trail mix supplies. So for sure something sweet. Our kids love chocolate, so little mini chocolate chips are great because they're not as big and there's not as much sugar consumption that way. Or you can try to get the more organic kinds of chocolate or the sugar-free kind, but I think that if you're gonna indulge in their kids, like a little sugar is not gonna hurt them, in my opinion. But you do what you want. Something sweet, another option is dried fruit or mini marshmallows or M&Ms. So you have something sweet as something to sprinkle in. Then we like to do lots of nuts. So the kids love peanuts. We love these from Trader Joe's, so we add some peanuts. And then I like to give them some macadamia nuts because they're very high in fat, which is a great thing for their little brains. And then pistachios are a huge favorite. We like to get the big, already shelled kind from Costco because they take so long to deshell. And then walnuts are one of the best brain foods you can get. My kids don't love them, so I just sprinkle a few of them in because if they get a little taste on their taste buds, my hope is that eventually they'll start to like them and they're such a great food for them. And then the other thing is, besides nuts and something sweet, we like to add in one more thing. Maybe it's pretzels, maybe it's some dried cereal, or another option is granola. We really like Purely Elizabeth. This is the vanilla almond butter, so it's a little bit more sweet again. And trail mix is great because it has protein, fat, and some sugar, so it really gives them energy, but not necessarily so much energy that they have a huge crash after. So when you make it all, you put it in this little bin, and they can take it in their little fort, in their air fort, or on a play date, or a walk, or whatever. It stays nice and lasts a long time. Now, if you're using chocolate, it could melt, so just make sure you put it next to something cold, or using M&Ms kind of keeps that a little bit less likely to melt because they have the hard candy shell. So hopefully that will help you guys make your own trail mix. It's not hard and kids love to do it. It's just a lot to clean up because you got to put all this back in the pantry. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. So before you go, please let me know down below, what is your favorite ingredient in trail mix for your kids? Maybe there's something that you can share that other people could see in the comments and give them some inspiration for making even better trail mix for their kids when they're making it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.